Good afternoon, friends. I once again welcome you all for this very important summit in the first plenary session. Total literacy, the need of the hour. Well, friends, literacy is crucial to the success of individuals, their career aspirations, and their quality of life. It is more than a basic reading ability, but rather an indication of how adults use written information to function in society. Strong literacy skills are closely linked to the probability of having a good job, decent earnings, and access to training opportunities. Individuals with weak literacy skills are more likely to be unemployed, if employed, to be in jobs that pay little or that offer poor hours or working conditions. Traditionally, literacy has referred to the ability to read, understand, and use the information. But the term has come to take on broader meaning, standing for a range of knowledge, skills, and abilities relating to reading, mathematics, science, and more. This reflects widespread and deep changes that have taken place in technology and in the organization of work over the past quarter of a century. The ability to use and apply key mathematics and science concept is now necessary across a wide range of occupation. The million-dollar question is, why is literacy important and why Rotary is putting such an effort to improve on bringing 100% literacy not only in India but in South of Asia? Literacy is fundamental for learning in schools. It has an impact on an individual's ability to participate in society and to understand important public issues. And it provides the foundation upon which skills needed in the labor markets are built. Technology and the science behind it permeates all the aspects of our lives, from how we work and communicate to what we shop for or how we pay our bills. The complexity of today's world means that individuals need to have some level of proficiency in reading, mathematics, and science in order to understand and participate fully in economically. The world we live in totally is vastly different from that of generation ago. Technological changes has transformed the way in which work is done. Competition in many industries is global. These changes have in turn brought rising skills requirement. Countries that are successful in endowing their populations with strong skills are usually in a better position to meet the economic challenges of operating in a globalized information economy. Finally, having a population that has strong literacy skills also places a country in a better position to meet the complex social challenges that it faces. A highly literate population will be better able to deal with issues of government in highly diverse society. Rotary is the first service organization under the sun where all the like-minded come together with clear thinking, clear objective, clear understanding, and clear goal. And that goal is nothing but service to humanity, service to community, service to nation, and world at large. Service above self is the motto for every Rotarian, and world peace our ultimate goal. Worldwide, almost 800 million people can neither read nor understand numbers, and 64% of them are women. The links between the literacy and the individual economic prospects are self-evident. But this year's UNESCO's point up the connection between the literacy and achieving peace. Literacy contributes to peace as it brings people closer to attaining individual freedoms and better understanding the world, as well as preventing or resolving conflicts. This is what is given in the website of UNESCO. Hence, this exercise to elaborate and deal this subject. Our first speaker we have is Shri Ashish Dhawan, the founder and CEO of Center Square Foundation, who will address us on quality education.